Hello guys, welcome to Viral263 apo patinokupai nyaya dzinenge dzichipisa masitreets esocial media. So guys, if it's your first time here kana watanga kusvika pano muzuva ranhasi, may you please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that next time when I upload a video you will not miss it. If you are a returning subscriber, I would like to say thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. So guys, nyanda yanayo panapa ndeya Queen Tatelicious avo vadzokerana neboyfriend yavo Saidi after a week's breakup. So in a certain recent post, Queen Tatelicious is explaining to her fans that Saidi should be given another chance, and Queen Tatelicious vapromisa Saidi kuti havachakisi imbwa dzavo kana Saidi ari around. So the post reads, "Let's give him another chance. I promised not to kiss my dogs when he is around, and he promised to stay away from salary, and he is supporting my 5 Shirikadzi Widows initiative every month." Recently, we have seen Queen Tatelicious vachiti varida kubatsira 5 Shirikadzi dzekuZimbabwe each and every month vachiwapa $100, and this is a good thing. So right now, she is confirming that her boyfriend will be helping Batsira Shirikadzi eats. So below this post, Queen Tatelicious went on to explain how lonely she will be feeling, and I guess this is one of the reasons why vadzokerana ne boyfriend yavo. So the post reads, "Please, I really feel lonely sometimes, and class understands me very much. You also know your queen is not perfect, but he has embraced me. Who knows where this relationship will lead us? Usually those people we think are not made for us, they might make good partners in the future. Please don't allow your queen to be lonely. It's not good for my mental health. We did a live yesterday on Instagram, and class promised the people that he stays away from my salary and 100% support the Widows initiative." So we have seen a lot of people commenting on this post, and most of them are happy that Queen has made such a decision to get back with her boyfriend. The first one was saying, "Tatelicious Karigambe saying back, we all need someone. Loneliness toiziva isu, especially in a foreign country, kusina hama. You might go crazy, just don't forget us, your village people." Then the other one was saying, "Promise us kuti muchativisa stress, otherwise bubu, chami na Dex, ndovatuma kuruma munhu." Then this one was saying, "Loneliness haiti Queen, go for class sure." Then another one was saying, "Zvataurwa naamai ndizvozvo, but dog father ngavasanyanya kuchinja your lifestyle. You are used to kissing your dogs and you can't train yourself to immediately stop. Saka ukairikana wakisa varipo vakutanga kanoise, ngavakude zvakadaro. Your dogs are smart. Ko dzinodya pupu here sezvinoita dzekuno kikikiki ah." Then we have seen Queen Tatelicious vazoisa imwe post vachitaura iwo kuti she is now humble, vakuzviisa pasi peMurume wavo. So the post reads, "Mukundityira because I never dated a dominant character all my past marriage and relationships. The men were very submissive and ndini ndaitonga. Class is dominant, and since I choose to be a woman, regai ndimbotyokawo." Below the post, Queen Tatelicious went on to explain that ndo zvavanodzidziswa kuchina chemadzimai. So the post reads, "Ndo zvatinodzidziswa kuchina chemadzimai, tinonzi mumba hamungaite machongwe maviri." So I'm going to read some of the comments which I have seen on this post. The first one was saying, "Pasalari chete ndo paiyo ativhundutsa." The second one was saying, "Biwaiva Esther, but there's a thin line between submission and abuse. Wonguteramira isa Esther, asi mukaona zvoenda kuabuse, budai fast. Happy living and loving. Say hi to Ndela, Bruce and Chami for me." Then this one was actually cracking a joke. She was saying, "Ipapo unenge watenga data uchiti weekend tate achange ane goa latest wanike ari kutoita zverudo." Then the other one, "As long as you are happy, we are good. Ngaaite manage economy chete mumba kikikikiki. Queen, imbomirai muzorore. I know your night was blissful." There you have it, guys. You have seen it. Queen Tatelicious vadzokerana neboyfriend yavo, and she is happy. And I just hope that you are happy too kuti Queen Tatelicious vadzokerana neboyfriend yavo, and the guy actually promised to be supporting the initiative yakatangwa na Queen Tatelicious yekuhelpa mawidows 5 anenge ari kuZimbabwe. So guys, you are free to comment down in the comment section about your different views, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so the next time when I upload a video you will not miss it. So until next time guys, it's a goodbye for now.